likes to play with. I'm waiting for him to get all the way in at this rate. This is hilarious. I wonder what he'd do if I just drop him in there. I really just want to throw him in. It's mean, but I want to see what he does. Here comes his sister. These kitties are about 4 months old. What are you doing? Huo Po. Huo Po. The kitten's name is Huo Po. It means the little energetic one. His sister is Hai Pa. It means the little frightened one. Xiao Hai Pa and Huo Po. Okay, I'm gonna do it, even though I probably shouldn't. I'm going to give him a nice little. Let's see what he does. He only got out. He didn't like jump away. Come on, take a swim. I need to go to work. He's in the water. He's in the water. This is the first cat I've ever seen get in a bowl of water. His sister's like, no fucking way. No way. Huo Po. Okay, I gotta go to work. I can't watch anymore, which sucks, but